Generally, the geographical location of where your dust exposure occurred will determine which law applies to your compensation entitlements, not the location where you might live now. For example, if you're exposed to silica dust while working in Queensland, your entitlements will be governed by Queensland law. If you have been exposed to silica dust while working in Queensland as well as in another state, then you may have different entitlements available based on each state's law. Some jurisdictions can offer more favourable entitlements than others, so it is important to seek advice about entitlements before pursuing a claim. In Queensland, the body that oversees workers' compensation for silica exposure is WorkCover Queensland. The entitlements are governed by the Workers' Compensation and Rehabilitation Act of 2003. Entitlements include loss of wages, medical expenses, retraining expenses, and assistance with return to work. In addition, lump sum compensation can be awarded based on your permanent impairment, your ILO readings based on your chest X-ray, or the maximum lump sum can be awarded if you suffer from a terminal condition. Terminal condition is currently defined as a condition certified by a doctor as being one that is expected to terminate the worker's life within 5 years after the terminal nature of the condition is diagnosed. There is a 6-month time limit applicable to pursuing a workers' compensation claim in Queensland, and that time limit begins on the date the doctor diagnoses the injury. However, the time limit can be waived in certain circumstances. A person can also pursue a court claim for damages, either against their employer or the manufacturer and supplier of silica products, and there is no time limit for doing so, except for certain silica-related diseases, such as autoimmune conditions. However, you can only pursue one court claim for your silica dust exposure. For example, if you pursue a court claim for silicosis, but later develop lung cancer as a result of your silica exposure, you will be precluded from pursuing an additional court claim. However, you can pursue more than one workers' compensation claim if you develop a different condition. In a court claim, a person can claim for their pain and suffering, loss of income, medical and out-of-pocket expenses, and care needs, among other things.